For a limited time only, you'll get a free repair technician with every order from PartSelect to help you each step of the way.
Hey Sarah, for those clamps, give these pliers a try. I think you'll find they work better. You got this.
Get out.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Yeah.
Hi Sarah, you're going to need this nut driver. So after you remove this cover, you're going to want to replace that screw. I believe in you. Oh hey, your water filter's about to expire. Do you want me to change that while I'm in here?
Yeah, thanks.
You got it.
See ya.
Bye. Hi there. You're looking to change your spark plug?
Yeah.
Right there in the front of the engine where that red elbow is. Just pull that off.
Sweet.
Take your spark plug wrench,
Yeah.
undo your spark plug and put a new one in. Oh, and while you're at it, good time to change your oil.
Okay.
Okay, so we can't actually ship a repair tech to every customer, but with thousands of PartSelect video tutorials and all our other useful repair content to help you fix your things,
It's like getting a free repair tech with every order. Oh, and Sarah, here's that missing sock.
Thank you.